There'll be others joining us today because they're having their makeup class also. So I'm going through something generic, which is both found in both express and normal academic. So I need you to turn on your videos. Why are you all turning off your videos? Miss Raihana, especially Miss Raihana, na 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 na. Miss Raihana, na 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 na. Miss Raihana, na 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 na. Come. I take a picture of her Raihana na lah. Send her mommy, yeah. Okay. All right. Inshira, also turn on your video, Inshira. There is nothing, not anything. I need to see where your eyes are. Raihana. Raihana, be like your younger brother. Your younger brother is very enthusiastic. Video on all the time. Okay, I'm going to share screen. Okay, later some of the friends will be joining us. Okay, if we have done this, it's okay. I need you to do this. Basically, I'll tell you which one to do, okay? And we are going to revise everything because I'm worried you may have forgotten this and this. Very quickly, please. Write your answers and submit it to me. Zahira, turn on your video. Raihana, turn on your video. Otherwise, I'll kick you out from the tuition. I will cancel you from this video in about 1 minute's time if you don't come back. You must have a valid reason why you do not want to turn on your video. And I will be teaching Hayan alone. Raihana, last warning, Raihana. By 8:02 by this watch, I will kick you out. I promise you. Don't think I'm not playing a fool. Don't think I'm playing a fool, sir. Don't think I'm playing a fool. Not playing a fool. Raihana, where are you? I cannot see you. I better record this. Show her mom. Okay, she wants me to record this. How come your brothers, their Wi-Fi is okay? Ryan's Wi-Fi is like super okay right at the end. Raidi is so. Okay, 802, I'm goodbye, Raihana. All right, now I will have to, where is this? Go the thing. We will have her off. Where is it? Participant. Oh, now you come back. Hello, Raihana. Raihana, please, I need to see you. I'm not seeing you for 1 week, All right, please send me your answers. I think Hayan has sent his answers to me. What about the rest? Let's see. Oh, sorry. Am I blocking you? I'm blocking. Hold on. I need to take something. This is not Hayan. Not Hayan, sir. Yes, please take whatever things before tuition. You take whatever you need to take. Come on. Send me your answers. Can be direct message, please. If you do not know how to do, I will show you how to do. Have we done this, Zahira? You think we have done this? I can't. Probably we did some of it. We are revising everything.
All in the book.
Yes, it's all in the book. It's on page, but don't refer to the book for this one. Let me see. Maybe have not. 460, 59. I think done already. You need to revise this. Done, right? 59. Hayan, come back. Where are you? Send me your answers, Hayan. Don't run away. Don't turn off the video. I know you are the only rose among the thorns. You know what it means? Rose among the thorns. It means the girls are the thorns. Raihana, we're waiting for you, Raihana. You are taking something. It's taking too long. I want to teach the lesson. Come on, don't waste time. Hayan. Hey, Hayan, why you message me, Hayan? Hayan, you can send by the chat. Send by the chat.
My
okay?
My enter key is full.
Okay, so you send me by WhatsApp. No problem. Okay, especially for Hayan. The other 3 students, where are the other 3 students? Okay. All right. Okay, we are waiting for Mr. What about Rahana? Hey, there's a church nearby. Yes. Is there a church nearby there?
Teacher.
Yes. Yes.
They want to answer in square root, right? How to type in square root?
Okay. So I'm going to go through all the answers now. I'm going to go through. You check your answers lah. Rahana, I've not gotten any answer from you. Please write something. Okay. So the first one. Okay, the first, I'll stop the screen share. They say sum of 4x and 5y. So just write 4x plus 5y. You cannot add them together. You cannot add them together. Just leave it like that. Then they say divide. Divide. Next one. This one is the answer for the first one. Divide 7x by what? By 9yz. Just put 7x over 9yz. That's it. Finish. This is answer for the second one. Okay. 7x divided by 9yz. That's it. And the last one, square root of xy. So what to do? This is the means square root. This one means cube root. They want square root of xy. This is your answer. Okay. This is your answer. That's all there is to it. So now, okay, we have Sabrina coming in. All right, we will now move on to, you now do question number, okay, I'm going to mark this, B, C, and F. Okay, B, C, and F. B, C, and F. Sabrina, are you there, Sabrina? We are doing question B, C, and F. If you are there, please turn on your video. Yes, Sabrina. We are doing B, C, and F. Once you have done, please send your answers through the chat. Okay. We are revising the whole chapter on algebra so that when your CA1, SA1 comes, it's all easy. Subtract 3x from 10y. Very easy, huh? You just write it down. Hayan, you should be the fastest, Hayan. Zahira, you can contact your cousin. She's not here. Ask your cousin. Her cousin's supposed to attend. Yeah. Come, Rahana, try. B, C, and F. Rahana. I'm waiting for you. Wow. I can only see half your head. Mr. Hayan, you don't understand the meaning of from then. From, dari. Dari got to be in front. If I say subtract 3 from 10 is 10 minus 3. From you should take from someone. Hayan has $10. I want to take $3 from Hayan. It's 10 minus 3. Not the other way around, because you are taking from what? So you must put that in front. Remember that, huh? Those of you who are confused, okay, there's 3 answers over here. Zahira, okay, Zahira for number B is correct. Rahana, terbalik, terbalik. Rahana, your answer is subtract 10 from 3x. You see, from means down here. Let's say now, you have your mommy down here. Your mommy down here, very big, mommy. Okay, maybe your mommy might not so big lah. Be so big. You want to take, she got $100 down here. She got $100. Take $5 from here. So 100 minus 5 lah from mommy. Then we find out how much is left. Your case, you are now taking the opposite. Okay, so reverse the whole thing, Miss Rahana. The clue is the word from. Huh? What about Sabrina? Oh, Sabrina ada confused. Dah lupa. Okay, then okay. All right, we go to question number. That's why it's important to revise, because sometimes I go through, you can understand, I'm so happy, and then you all forget. Okay. Rahana pun dah confused. Okay, so I'm going to write the question here. Subtract. Let's say I say subtract 5 from 20. You convert it like this. So which one is supposed to be in front? It's like that. You want a minus 5 from this. So you write it this way. That is lesson number 1. Now they tell you now, this one is 3x. 3x or 3y, let me see. This is 3x from 10y. So now that means 10y got to be here, 3x got to be here, and you leave the answer alone. Miss Sabrina, these two are different aliens. Y is like elephant minus human being. 10 elephant minus 3 human being, you cannot minus. You cannot say, hey, left, what is left? After that, 10 elephant, you minus 3 human beings, you get 7 elephant human being. Cannot be. No such thing. Okay, we don't believe in what metamorphosis or what we call it, animorphs. We don't believe in animorphs. So down here you got to leave it just 10y minus 3x. Rahana, same thing also. Rahana, you wrote now equals to 7x. Cannot. How come you say 10 elephant and you minus 3 human beings get 7 elephant? Cannot be. Yeah, you just leave it 10 elephant minus 3 human beings. That's it. You cannot minus. Okay, we go back. Get it or not? I hope you all get it. You're forgetting. Okay, you try now. C and F. Let us see now. Hayan, do you message me, Hayan? Wow. Okay, Hayan. Okay, well done, Hayan. Okay. All right. Yeah, because you can't show the sign. Let us see. Hayan, you can do now the next one. Okay, once you have done now, you can move on to the next one. Let me tell you which one you do. You do B. You do C. You do D. Okay, those who have finished, please do, but please check your answer after that. Zahira, you're not going to call your cousin? Okay lah, tell the cousin. Cousin, forget again. The other day, the 3 girls, I was waiting for the 3 girls. No one turned up. I started to cry. Where are you? Pia also, Sophia also. Okay, anyone? Let us see now. Okay, now Rahana, better Rahana. Seven XY is which one? Rahana, which number is this one? Okay, Zahira. Rahana, 7XY cannot be. Again, you cannot minus the 2, okay? Times you can. Times you can. Sabrina, don't lupa. Or did I? Maybe I didn't teach you all. Okay, cannot be. I will try now. We have to. Okay, Alhamdulillah, we went through this. Maybe I did not teach you to that level. Okay. Okay. Let me stop here. Maybe Zahira, did I go through this in the book? Yes, right? 59, yes. No. Okay. Maybe I thought I went through with you. Okay. So if you have the product down here, you write like this. Sabrina, watch Sabrina. Rahana, look down here. Stop looking at the floor, Rahana. Okay, here. Rahana, number times number. Tell me what is 2 times 8, Rahana? 2 times 8, number times number. Rahana, 2 times 8. 2 times 8. 2 times 8. Rahana! 2 times 8. She cannot talk. 16. How come she's very shy suddenly? X times Y times Z. X, Y, and Z like that. Sabrina, you know what to do? Sabrina, you know what to do? Okay, let me just check. I need to test you one by one then. Sabrina, what is 4x times 3y? Answer in 3 seconds. 2 seconds.
12x.
1 second. Good, 12xy. So number times number 4 times 3, 12. X times y, xy. What about Miss Zahira? Zahira. 18x divided. Okay, this one everyone do lah. Everyone do. Okay, we're going to do divide. 18, everyone does. 18x divided by 3x. What is your answer? You please send it to me then. Cannot talk. But how come you cannot show your full face also? Because from the bottom part of it, I can see whether you are telling the... Rahana. Oh, very serious, Rahana. Okay, what is your answer for 18x divided by 3x? Anyone? Okay, I'm getting. Okay, Sabrina, correct. Zahira, you got to check. You got to do your working. If you do your working, you will know whether you're right or wrong. What about Hayan? Hayan, let me check. Hayan is the only one special. Hayan, what about this one, Hayan? You send me an answer for this one. And the rest, Raihana and Zahira, same answer. So I'm going to show you. We're waiting for Hayan now.
6.
Hayan, just tell me what's your answer.
6.
6. Okay, so is it 6 or 6x? Watch. 18x. Zahira and Raihana, watch. 8x and x you can divide, you get 1. You see there's x on here, you have x on here, you cancel it. Once you cancel any number, let's say 8 divided by 8, you cancel, you get 1, 1, 1. 8 divided by 8 is 1, 8 divided by 8 is 1, x divided by x is 1, x divided by x is 1. You see x, cancel, put 1, 1. 18 divided by 3, you can get 18 divided by 6, you get 3. All right, the answer is 3. All right, I'm going to give you now my set of questions because you seem to be stuck, some of you. 4 questions, okay? Make sure you know how to do them, all right? This is now... Z, 2Z, 2Z. Okay, next one now. Two, Sorry lah, I put X factor lah. After you don't know what I'm talking about. You can do this, boy and girls. You can do this, okay? Now remember, maths is like you practice, you will never forget. No, it's like cycling. Okay, you can never forget how to cycle. Just like you can never forget how to walk. Unless you cannot accident, then you might forget lah. Otherwise, you cannot forget how to walk. You cannot forget how to crawl. You cannot forget how to ride a bicycle. You cannot forget how to swim. Mathematics is like that. But if you don't practice enough, you will not reach that stage of not forgetting. So if you have your answer, please send your answer to me. Sabrina, first one is correct. Congratulations. Congratulations for second one also. Raihana, congratulations for first one. Win a prize to West Mall, Pizza Hut. I'll pass your mother the money later. Sabrina, okay, well done. Sabrina, number 3. What about Zahira? Very quiet, Zahira. I don't see. Hayan, where's your answer for 1, 2, 3, 4? Give me some answers lah. Sabrina, last one, Sabrina. You must do your working. Don't do mentally. You will see the answer. Okay. The last one, Sabrina, try. Raihana, you must do the working. You are doing. Okay, your number 3 is also all 3 and all 3, 2, 3, 4 not correct. You no, sorry. 3 is correct. 2 and 4 not correct. Zahira, where are you, Zahira? I cannot see you, Zahira. No answer, Zahira. Hira. Mana Hira? Don't be like that. Give me answer.
Everything first.
Okay, tell me what's your answer, Hira. For number 1, we go through now. Hayan, you check whether it's correct or not. Number 1, Zahira, what's your answer? Okay, Hayan, your answer is wrong. You forgot one more letter. There's a Z there.
12.
This is 2Z. 12, X, Y, Z, yeah? Very simple, okay? Okay, now Hayan, what's your answer for this one? Zahira, what's the answer for this one? Zahira, Hayan?
8x.
8x. Hayan, you agree? Okay, so you do like this, like a fraction 16x over 2. You can divide by 2. Watch this, Rahana, watch this. You get 8x. The x is on top, Rahana. You cannot forget the x, okay? It's a part of it. Okay, how do you feel if our parents forget ours? Next one. Zahira, what's the next one? Hira. Hayan.
Four.
What? 4. 4. How you get 4? Hayan, what's your answer, Hayan?
My answer is
8. Watch. Cancel x, get 1, 1. 16 divided by 2, get 8. Well done. The last one, did Sabrina change answer? Sabrina, you didn't change your answer. You're still firm on your answer. Okay, watch. Watch, okay, watch. The last one, watch. You see, you must write it like this as your working. The x is below, you know, not on top. So 16 can divide by 2, you get 8. Divide by 2, you get 1. It's 8 over x. Let me see who got it. No one got it. Okay, Raihana could have gotten it actually. I'm sure. Right, Raihana? Okay, we try now. Next one now. 4, 5, 6. You all understand what I'm talking about, right? Okay. Question number 5. Question number 6. Question number 7. Question number 8. 12xy divided by 4y. Try, 2x times 3y times 2. 2x, this is, I think I changed the number, times 3. 2x times 3y times 2x. 12xy z divided by 4y and z. Do your working, you will be able to see it. Okay, Sabrina, 5, 6, okay. Here, you can message me here. Over and out, Haven. Here, number 5 is not correct, yeah? Number 7 is not correct, Miss Sabrina. Number 8, okay, Sabrina. So you try number 7 again. Number 6 is okay here. Number 7, there's no Z down here. Let us see now. Oh, Sophia. Rahana. Okay, Rahana. Number 6 is correct. Number 5. Okay, Sophia, welcome, Sophia. Sophia, we are doing this question. Sophia, can I just ask you straight how to do this? Please observe. Now, if you have something divided by something, Sophia, put 12xy over 4y. Like that. Must put it like that, Sophia. 12xy minus divide by 4y. Rahana also. So 12 divided by 4, what do you get? You get 3 lah. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then now here there's a y. There's a y. Rahana, there's a y lah. You must cancel this y. Cancel those y. You get what? You get 3x. Not 3y. Here, you wrote 3y to me. You know it's 3x, right? Down here. Okay, 3x. Zahira, you know how to do now, Zahira? Yes or no? Frozen, Okay. So now the next one. Okay, so 3x. So the next one we ask Sophia. Sophia, number times number times number. What's your answer, Sophia? 2 times 3 times 3.
2x times y.
No, 2 times, okay, 2 times 3 is how much?
6.
6 times 3?
18.
18.
Oh,
X times Y, what is X times Y?
XY.
Dah lupa dah lu. XY, good, okay. So now for number 7. Okay, I don't think any one of you got it correct, so we're going to go through watch. Now the first thing you need to understand is this. Y times Y. What's the answer? Anyone knows not? Y times Y. Anyone knows? Is it 2Y? You agree it's 2Y? Agree? Some of you are nodding your head. Okay, that is Y plus Y lah. Y plus Y is 2Y. Y times Y is not 2Y. Y times Y is Y squared. So remember that, Y times Y is Y squared. So down here now, let us go number by number. So again, Sophia, because you came in last, you need to do this. Okay, don't be embarrassed. 2 times 3, Sophia. 2 times 3, Sophia.
6.
6 times 2.
12.
12. X times X.
X squared.
Good, X squared. Then add the Y down here because it's times the Y. Do you get it? You all get it or not? So what does this mean? This means it's 12xxy. Now I know, Sabrina, you wrote 12xyx. Yeah, but you have to put it together as an x square. Okay, you get it? All of you get it or not? I hope you get it. Okay. The next one, do the thing. Put the thing on top. 12xyz over 4yz. Z and z can cancel. Y and y can cancel. 12 divided by 4 get 3. Your balance is 3x. So 3x. Okay, we go back to the worksheet. I hope this is okay. Not okay, that means you got to watch the video and I think, okay, we try now. Just now we were doing, okay, so this one you know how to do. 2 times 8, 16. X, Y, Z, 16 X, Y, Z. Down here, this one cube root is very simple. Square root is like this. So this is square root X, Y. Okay, I'm going to try write X, Y lah. This one cube root, you just add the 3 down here. This is 3Z, like that. Okay, so now can you try question 2B, 2C, and 2D, please? Those of you who have done that, you can do the rest of it. Hayan, I'm going to check your answer, Hayan. Okay, you have done B. A and B is correct. C. C is correct. D. Yes, product is times. Product is times. Okay, you got any questions, just ask, okay? Oh, I have to. Okay, please do. Please do. Sophia, you okay, Sophia? I was waiting all alone on Sunday. You do not know how many buckets of tears I cried. All 3 girls didn't show. And Shafika contacted me half an hour later and said, can I do a one-to-one with you? I said, no, and now she's not here. You are doing question number 2B, Sabrina, is that true? Yes, right? Sabrina, you know what sum or not? You cannot combine the Y and Z. Remember the elephant, one is 9 elephant plus 2 zebra. You cannot combine, you say, I want to combine them. I want them to be a half zebra, half elephant. Cannot. Okay, they will die. Can you imagine? Mommy, a zebra having a baby elephant. Okay, Zahira, very good for question number B. Well done. Wow, Cik Pia. Cik B, Cik Pia. Okay, I don't call you Cik Pia lah. Sophia. Hayan, where are you, Hayan? What's your answer? Oh, you sent already. Sorry. You can use your calculators, okay? Well done, Hayan, for D. Hayan, then you do A, E, and F also. Okay? Those who have completed, please do A and F. Zahira, let me see. Question C. Congratulations, Zahira. What about Rayana? I don't hear from Rayana. Rahana. Hana. Rahana. Come, right? Type your answer. Zahira for D also well done. Do A, B, A, E, F. Okay, Sabrina, very nicely done like that. You can do it like that. Even if you remove the brackets, it's also okay. But that is a nicely done. That is the safest way of writing it. Okay, well done. Sophia, I can't hear from you, Sophia. Sophia, this 9y plus 2z, what's the answer? Sophia, 9y plus 2z, can you add them together? Cannot, nah? It will still be 9y. Okay, Sophia and Rahana, if you are... This one for which one, Rahana? Cannot lah, cannot. Okay, see, 9y plus 2z is still 9y plus 2z. So you write like that. Okay, you can write like that. And then you can bracket up if you want to. If you want to, Sabrina, bracket up, can. Then you minus 5x from here. So you, after that, you minus 5x lah. Okay, Hayen, and so you put 5x here. So you can bracket this up or you can remove the bracket. No problem, can remove the bracket. So you get 9y plus 2z minus 5x. That's your answer for this. How do you know the word from is here? From is dari, right? So it has to be in front. Okay. That one you have times, you can times, Sabrina. Don't put it in bracket. The first one I say well done. Second one, times it out. Don't put the bracket anymore. Don't play safe. Don't play too safe. You're playing too safe. You're swimming too close to the shore. Zahira, question number A. Okay, in a moment, Zahira. I need Sophia and Rahana to do this one first. You do this one first. What's the product of 5 and 3y? 5 and 3.
15y.
15y. So from that means you put this in front. Put this in front. 15y, put it in front. So 15y minus 4x. Like that lah. Okay, you get it? Rahana, you get it also? So you do the product first. Why do product first? Because yeah, you have to times it first. Then you subtract lah. Subtract from, so this one is in front. Okay, good. Sabrina, you get it? Then the times, Sabrina, where you have the times on there, you can times it. When you have times, the number times number, letter times letter. Okay, you can use your calculator, no problem. Now, same thing, Raihana and Sophia, question number D, come on. Take number times number times number.
90yz.
90yz, okay, thanks for telling everyone the answer. You okay lah, tak apa lah. Okay, 2 times 9, 18. 18 times 5, 90. If you do not know how to do this there, 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 9, 90, easier. Then yz. Okay. Are you all okay? Sabrina, okay? You know, understand, huh? Raihana, you okay, Raihana? You okay, not? You sure not? You okay? Okay, those who are not okay, I have to force you to come for remedial. My problem is I don't have time for remedial. Okay, so we try E and F. E and F, huh? Please try. Hey, Ian, I'm checking now. And yeah, question number A. A, have you done? Aduh, dah lupa lah dia. Is your answer A, 21xtz? X plus Z. Hen, where are you, Hen? Here, this one, this is 8 elephant, you know, 7 giraffe, 6 yo-yo. You cannot add them up together. You cannot add the numbers together also. You got to leave them separate. So girls and boy, this question A, you cannot add them. You just put the plus sign on here, plus sign on here. That's all. Okay. Sophia, which one is A? Can you write the number you're doing? I do not know which number you're doing. Okay, Sophia, your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. Yes. Well done, Hen. Okay, for A. Now we look at your E now. Yes, correct. Hen is correct. Your E is correct. Your F. You compare lah this one, this E and F. Your E is correct, your F is wrong. Here, check. F, I don't know if correct 50-50. Well, the 50-50 is wrong now. Okay, let us see now. I'm going to check the E and F for the rest. Sabrina, which question is this, Sabrina? 336 XYZ. First one. Sum, what is sum? Sum is plus, miss. Not product. Product you times. Sum, miss. Sabrina. Okay, don't know question E and F. Okay, no problem. Okay, now question E and F we're going to show you in a moment. Okay, we're going to show you in a moment step by step. Okay. Sophia, yes, Sophia, you can do E, like here you can do E, but you cannot do F. That means you may not know, cannot add the G. Okay, so Sabrina, this plus are now 8 elephants plus 7 zebras plus 6 giraffe. How come you mix them all together? I have all together 21. Now then you go and merge them together. Okay, boys and girls, okay, we'll stop on here first. We are getting confused now. Okay, so now we go back to the basic now. Basic, please listen, okay? If you have X plus Y plus Z, someone asks you to add together. You take a lizard plus a cockroach plus a spider. What's the answer? What's the total? The total is still 1 lizard, 1 spider, 1 cockroach. You cannot mash them all together. Mash them, I get a lizard, cockroach, the thing together. Cannot do that. So this is still like that. So the very first question, all right, let's say now they're asking you, what is the sum? Sum means add what? You know, in primary school you learn sum means total of X, 8 xylophone. Let's say X is xylophone plus 7 yo-yo plus 6 zebra. Look, even if you put the xylophone and the yo-yo on top of the zebra, it is still like this, the final. You still, because you cannot join them together. How can you join a zebra and a yo-yo and a xylophone? Cannot. They will die. The zebra will die. You join them all together. So you leave your answer like that. But for you, you feel, I cannot leave my answer like that because all my life, for 6 years, whenever my teacher gives me like this, I cannot leave my answer like that. I must plus them together. So inside of you, you have this desire to combine them. Remember now you're in secondary school. This year is a number, an unknown. You don't know what it is, but you know that this number is a different from this alien down here. And this alien is different from this animal. In secondary school, you must realize this is not a letter. And this, you don't worry, even if you leave your answer 8x plus 7y, it's okay. But all the time in primary school for 6 years, you have learned, you have been conditioned. You know, condition, that means you always train. When you have like that, you can never give your answer like that. You give your answer like that, teacher say, you did not do your question. So because of that, you have this urge inside of you to combine. You got to stop this urge. Because down here, you cannot combine. You understand what I'm saying now? This is 8 xylophone. Xylophone, ting, 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 xylophone. Yo-yo, you're playing yo-yo. Zebra, you cannot combine. You must leave them alone. Okay? You understand what I'm saying? Okay? So now, this is when you add. But when you do like that times, times they say, you can combine. You can combine. For times, you can combine. So you take number times number times number. 8 times 7, 56. 56 times 6, you get a number lah. The number is at, okay, I don't need, let's say you get this number lah. X times Y times Z, X, Y, Z. That's your answer. If this is times. I hope this is okay. Are you all okay? Yes, right? Okay, now I go to the next question. Let us look at the next question. Okay. Let us look at the next question. Next question down here. Now down here, this is where you need to ask yourself, which one do you do first? Now this is like a bracket. Divide the sum. Oh, I must divide something that's like a bracket down here. Sorry. Divide the sum of X. Down here is like a, this is the sum. You got to divide this by Z. Oh, like that. So x plus 4y divided by z. Oh, yeah. Can you see that? Okay, I'm gonna just show you again. So can you see this one down here? You can divide the sum. You are supposed to divide something. So the sum, this is like one number. You got to do this. This is like inside the bracket. So you write now x plus 4y. Divide by what? Oh, divide by z. So divide by z, z is below. So now we look at Hayen and Sophia. Why did they get the next one wrong? Okay, let us see. Let us see. You see? Now can you? Oh, I'm going to share again because the thing is still there. Can you see now? You cannot see. Why is it So can you see now? Now is what? Divide what? Divide by the sum, That means this thing must be bottom lah. Must be at the bottom, like here down here about bottom. Sum of 2x and 6z. You cannot add them together. This divide by, right? By means go below. See, by z, z goes below. By the sum of this, that one go below, and put the 3y on top. Now, why is it you put it this one on top? You know why? Again, in primary school, you learn bigger number divided by smaller number. That's why you do it. You have been conditioned. You have been conditioned. So you must be aware of your mental handicap. No. For example, you are in the kitchen at the middle of the night. You want to go toilet lah. Let's say nak kencing in the middle of the night. You wake up, there's a mop in the kitchen, just outside the toilet, and the mop is all white. And then you feel that you are seeing a lady down there. Now your mind is playing tricks on you. Of course, it might be a Pontianak after all, but the mind might be playing a trick on you. Might be. Same thing. You are having tricks being played on you. Now we try. Don't want in words, we don't want. Okay, this one not yet. We go to the next one. Let us go to. Okay, we have to practice the expression. Sorry. I'm just checking for. If we don't have, I got to give the questions myself because it's all higher level already. Okay, more or less, hopefully you are able to get it. You try question F lah. Now you try question F. Have we done F? Oh yeah, we have done F. Sorry. Okay, I got to give you lah. You try, okay? Find the sum of 2x and 3x. This is question 1. Question 2, find the sum of 2x and 3y. Number 3, find the sum of 2x and 3. Okay. You can send me your answers now. Zahira, come back, Zahira. Don't go far away. You know, once you turn off your video, what is Raihana going to do? Raihana already is half face. She's going to disappear some more. Raihana. Can you see now? Am I blocking? Like that. You know, my family is asking, what is the problem? I was shouting and shouting. I'm like orang gila. No? Yes, of course, orang gila. You look at your hair, it's like orang gila. I don't say that, Sophia. So bad. Hayen, come back, Hayen. Please, you are the only rose among the thorns, You know what I mean? Rose among all the rest, all thorns. You are the only flower. Oh, Anika is going to disturb you already. Abela, Anika. Okay, what are your answers? I'm going to go through very quickly, okay? Okay, first one, 2x plus 3x. Can we add them together? Yes, we can. Like Bob the Builder. Can we do it? Yes, we can. We can because it's elephant and elephant. Now we can 2 elephant plus 3 elephant. Of course, it's 5 elephants. Correct. 2x plus 3y, elephant plus giraffe, cannot just leave it as 2x plus 3y, leave it like that. Next one, 2x plus 3. This one we do not know what alien is this, just leave the alien alone. 2x plus 3. Don't say no, never mind. This one doesn't have an x or y, I can combine, cannot. 2x plus 3 is 2x plus 3. Okay, well done. You can do it. Now I'm changing the word. Find the product of 2x and 3x. Find the product of 2x and 3y. Find the product of 2x and 3. Can you do it? And go, please, and go. Can see now. Zahira, you're looking as if you cannot see. Yeah, I know the first one is the toughest lah, but you can do it. Okay, Hayan, first one. First one, incorrect. No, incorrect means not correct. Eh? Try again. Rahana, your first answer is the same as Hayan. Incorrect, not correct. I'm so sorry. Please try again. Better luck next time. Sophia, your answer is the same as Rahana and Hayan. Better luck next time. Zahira and Sabrina, both of you are the only ones now. Zahira, congratulations. Steady lah, Zahira. Saya tak senyum at all lah. Hayan also incorrect. Sophia, congratulations, Sophia. Oh, that was Sophia, not Zahira. Raihana, your new answer is the same as Hayan's new answer is incorrect. Sabrina, where's your answer? Okay, we're going to go through. Very simple, Sabrina. 2 times 3. 2 times 3, Sabrina.
I already gave.
Oh, you gave already, yeah? Oh, yeah. Okay, correct. 2 times 3 is 6. X times x, x square. X square. Raihana and Hayan. X times x is x square. Okay. Now, the next one. We ask Raihana, 2 times 3. 6. Well done, Raihana. X times y. XY. Good. Okay, I answered for her. Next one. 2 times 3. 6. X. Just x. Now here is 1. I take it as 1. X times 1 is x. Okay. We are going to go to the next question. Now we are going to move on to the next one, all right? Okay, let us try this one very quickly. A and D. So sorry, Miss Sophia. Yours is in for A. Sophia, so sorry, Sophia. A is wrong. So sorry, Hayan. A is wrong. Try your A again. Oh, maybe it's right. I do not know whether you made a mistake in oh yeah. It's right. Your A is correct. Anyone else? Raihana's answer same as Sophia. Please check. Sabrina? Zahira. Okay, Sabrina, correct? Okay, we all do straight lah. B, C and B, C also lah. Because Hayan did A, B, C, D. So we do A, B, C, D. Okay, Hayan, B is correct. Hayan, C is correct. Hayan, D is mistake. Almost there. Sabrina, A is correct. Sabrina, B is incorrect. Incorrect doesn't mean it's inside is correct. It's not correct. Rahana? No, I do not know which one, Rahana. Zahira, A is not correct. Sabrina, it's not Sabrina. Rahana, the 2 is for which one? A or B? A. A correct, okay. Sabrina, B correct. Okay, congratulations, Mr. Hayan. No problem, no problem. Zahira, correct. B is correct. Well done. Okay, well done. Zahira, your A is not correct. Do you do corrections for A? Okay, we will. Sophia, I've not gotten any answer from you. Okay, so now down here, okay, those who are not sure, I show you the method. Okay, you put equal, then 4 you write 4, then you see you put a bracket like that. Okay, you put a bracket. How come this bracket doesn't come? Stuff like that. Sorry, I need to do this again. I do not know why this is coming out like that. So you put like that, a bracket. You put a bracket like that. Then you put a plus also like that. Okay, you put a 9 like that. Okay, if you're confused, you do like this method. Then you put the value of x. What's x? 5. Put 5 inside here. Minus 2. Now, when you see a number beside the bracket, it means times. Remember, this down here, Sophia, you can see 4 bracket 5. Means 4 times 5. You get 20. Positive, of course, positive, because positive times positive give you a positive. Now, down here is not 9 minus 2, no. 9 times 2. Don't worry about the sign yet. Take 9 times 2, 18. Plus and minus, plus and minus, you get minus lah. Sorry, this one is get minus, okay? 20 minus 18 is 2, okay? The next one, okay, I'm going to go through, you check your answer. Again, I write 4 like that. Then I put the bracket, then minus down here, 9. And then I put a bracket here, okay? I put the value of x is 5. I put 5 inside. Okay, 9, y, what is y? Minus 2. Okay, I put down here. Remember, you have a bracket, it means it's times, 4 times 5, 20. Okay. Don't worry about the sign yet. Take 9 times 2, 18. Now you look at the sign. Minus times minus. Minus times minus becomes plus. Now this one becomes 38. Different, You make sure you understand this now. Okay. Use the bracket system. It's safe. It's very safe. Now down here, you learn at 3xy. What does it mean? Okay, you write it down. If you do not know what is xy, is it plus or times? Well, you use the bracket like that. Use the bracket like that. And remember what I told you, bracket means is times. So x, you put the value of x is 5. Y, minus 2. So don't worry about the sign yet. Don't worry about the sign yet, okay? Okay, we are just going to fill in so just write on here, minus 2. Take number times number times number. 3 times 5, 15 times 2, 30. Write 30 first. Then this one how? Plus times plus give you plus. Then plus times minus give you minus. Okay, because there's a plus down here. There's a plus down here. There's also a plus down here. We don't write it. So plus times plus give you plus. Then the times the minus give you minus. Plus times minus. Okay, same thing down here. X, Y, what you do? You do like that, same thing, same thing. You bracket, bracket. You use this method right enter secondary school, you are able to do this correctly. So you put 5 down here. Put -2 down here. So don't get it wrong. Don't say 5 minus 2 get 3. 3 divided by 3 get 1. No, 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 no. This is bracket, no. Times. 5 times 2, 10. This is plus in front here. We don't write the plus because it's understood. Plus times minus and minus. Divide by 3. Then how to do? You can use your calculator to find out this one. Okay, you get 3 and 1/3. But remember, sorry this one need to be leceh lah. Remember that you are supposed to put the 1/3 down here, but this is plus, down here. If you're asking, minus divide by plus, minus lah. It's the same rule. Are we okay? I hope we are okay. Anyone not okay or not? I mean, I'm talking about maths. Mentally, you're not okay. Somebody else. Okay, you might need to. Okay, we try the next one now. This one, wait. This one, let me show you. I'm going to show you something on the board. You try to expand. When you expand out, you have to learn this, okay? Now, if you have something like that, Rahana, watch Rahana. You see, how to expand? What is the word expand? Expand means times. Times, like this, bracket means what? It means times, correct? So now we'll watch. This one you times down here. Then this one after that you times down here. You plus lah. So watch, 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 2y, well, 2 times 2 first, 4. 4y plus. You know how to expand? Okay, I'm going to give you some questions now down here. You do. Okay, just 2 questions now. 3, 5x plus 2y. This one's slightly different now. Minus 3, 5x plus 2y. Now, can you please expand? What's the meaning of expand? Is to times it. Times it out. Sophia, nowadays you smile lesser. Why? I said you used to smile a lot. I'm growing up. Damn it. Hey, don't say that. Okay. All right. Sorry. Bad job. Well, we have some answers here. Or not. No. Sorry, my head is blocking. Any answers so far? Let me see. Okay. You have first answer? 10xy. Okay. Come, there's a times down there. Okay, we're gonna go through now. Please check answer. You ask here and here. Can you show us how to expand this? So we times first this one. 3 times 5 here. 15x plus. Okay, we don't put plus yet. 3 times 2. 6 y. Now we put plus down here. Why this is plus and plus? Well, we give you plus. Down here, you got to be careful. You got to be careful here. Watch. 3 times 5, same thing, 15x. But minus times plus. Remember the rule. Minus and minus give you plus. Plus and plus give you plus. Plus and minus give you minus. Minus and plus give you minus. So this minus and plus will give you minus. Got to put a minus here. And then the next one, 3 times 2, 6. 6y lah. 3 times 2y, 6y. Minus times plus, minus. This is your answer. Be careful, your answer, Sabrina, is not times. It's plus. If this is times, Sabrina, you know what you can do. You take 15x times 6y. You know what you can do. X times y, xy. 15 times 6, you will get, let me see, 15 times 6, 30, 90xy. But you cannot do that because this now is a plus. You must leave it as a plus and sometimes minus, depends. Okay, I might be going much faster than your school, but I need you to understand all this, all right? So that when you go to school, it's much easier for you. Okay. This, I think, will be coming out for mid-year. So some schools might be faster, some might be slower. So we try now. You try 4 questions, okay? I'm going to put it like that. Okay, you try. 5 times 3a minus 2b. 2. 5, 3a plus 2a. Careful, I'm putting a, no. Careful, a. If can do inside the bracket, do first. If can do. If cannot do, then you got to expand. If can do, you do. Okay. Minus 5, 3a plus 2b. Minus 5, 3a minus 2b. Zaira, are you sleeping? Are you okay not, Zaira? Cannot see your eyes. Don't follow Rahana lah. Everyone wants to follow Rahana. She's the trendiest thing. Now even Sabrina and everything. Everyone is all halfway underwater. I cannot see where your eyes are. If you cannot see where your eyes are, I won't know what you're looking at. Why is it important for me to know what you're looking at? I need to know whether you are paying attention. The reason why you cannot see my face is because I'm writing the word. So that's why if I put my face, you cannot see the question. Oh, you're angry. Rahana, so sorry. Sorry, yeah. It's too bad. All right, you have 4 questions over here. Let us see whether you can get them correct. Thank you. Yes. Sophia, are you able to do, Sophia? What are you looking at the table, Sophia? You see, if you show me your eyes, I can see where they are. Come on, Sophia. You can do this. Hey, what's your answer, Hey? I don't get any message from you. Or you deleted your message. Zahira, oh dah penat tadi ya. You all had school today, no right? No school, right? No, okay. Zahira, don't cry. Zahira, you know what to do, Zahira? Tell me what to do, okay. Zahira, question number 1. What's your answer, Zahira? Come on, Zahira. What's your answer, question 1? Okay, so now down here, this bracket means times, no? It means you multiply like that. So 5 times 3a, what is it, Zahira?
15A.
15a. 5 times 2b.
10B.
Okay, is it plus or minus? This one is plus times minus. What do you get?
Minus.
Minus. Congratulations. Sabrina, how to do this one? Are you going to 5 times 3a, 5 times 2a? What are you going to do, Sabrina, for this one? 3a plus 2a, what is it equal to?
5A.
Now you get 5 bracket 5a. What is this equal to, Sabrina?
5 times 5A.
5 times 25a. Well done. Okay, well done. So now next one now. Who wants to try? Sophia, you want to try, Sophia? Okay, we try, yeah, Sophia. This sum is times, 5 times 3a. Sophia, what's the answer? Sophia, 5 times 3.
15.
15a, yeah? Now this is minus times plus. What would there be a minus or plus here?
Plus.
No, you must memorize this one. Minus and plus will give you minus always. Minus 5 times plus. This got no sign here, means plus. It must be minus. Remember this, minus and plus, minus. Plus and minus is minus. Minus and minus becomes plus. Plus and plus stays plus. You must memorize this. We went through this, no, remember not? I think you missed some of the lessons. You must memorize this. When this is for times or divide. Or sometimes, yeah, okay. Then the next one, Sophia, 5 times 2.
10.
10b, yeah. Minus times plus.
Minus.
Okay, the next one now. Rahana. 5 times 3a. Rahana, 5 times 3a. Rahana, 5 times 3a. Rahana cannot talk. Anyone? Okay, Hayan, 5 times 3a. Hayan. Minus 5 times 3a, what's your answer?
15A.
15a. Negative 15 or positive 15?
Negative 15.
Yeah, because negative times positive. Next one, watch the next one. 5 times 2b.
10B.
10b. Negative times negative.
Positive.
Look at this, Sophia. Negative times negative becomes positive. So you got to be careful. Okay, I'm going to give you some questions, a few more questions you try to do very quickly. Now there's no algebra. It's just this one in case you have forgotten. 1, 2, 3. And for don't use your calculator, just try what the answer is, okay? Okay, these two ni lah. You just say out your answer, what you think your answer are. Just tell me, write down on here. Never mind. Who said the answer doesn't matter. Number 1, what's your answer? Anyone got an answer?
2.
2, okay. Any other answer other than 2? Anyone says 0? No, so minus, this one is the same thing. Sophia, you see like this, this also use the times, this thing, this chart. Minus minus becomes plus. So this one becomes 1 plus 1 equals to 2. The next one now, the next one. Anyone, what's the answer? This is 4 down here.
3.
Sabrina, what's the answer, Sabrina? For this one, number 2?
3.
3. Zahira says 3. What about Sabrina? Raihana? Raihana says, okay, someone says 9. 9. What about Sophia? Sophia?
3.
3. Hayen, give me the answer here. 3. Okay, so most say 3. Let us see. Yeah. Now down here, same thing. You take out the minus becomes plus 4. Plus and minus becomes minus. You see, I remove the bracket first. Then I know, oh, this one 6, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 minus 3, 3. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Huh? Okay, this should be okay for you, okay? So can you try this now? You see the expansion, you know why I taught you this now? Later, minus 3 times 7 plus 7x. Minus 3 times y, you must be able to know this. Okay, but you can substitute the value, lah, no problem. You can put the value in, you can minus. But if you cannot put the value in, you must know how to expand. So I taught you expansion a little bit too early, lah. Zahira, you look very tired, Zahira. What happened? What did you do, Zahira, today? You went out. Says, I didn't go out. I just had to take care of Anika, my sister. Yeah. Sometimes taking care of them. Who is not here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, all this here. All this here. Okay, Sam has given the answer. Let us see. Yeah. Okay. We are doing A, B, C, D. Yeah. Please do all. Okay. Sabrina, do A also. We are doing. I just gave an example. You must do all. Okay. Okay. I just want to make sure you know everything. Okay. Okay, here, let's see whether you're right in a moment. And I think the answer for A is correct. Very fast ahead. Okay, and your answer B is different from Sabrina. Sabrina says minus 57, you say 43. Let us see who's correct. Or maybe both might be wrong. We do not know. We are waiting for the rest of the contestants. I think A is wrong for you, Sabrina. Check, please. I think so. I'm going to go through in a moment. Oh, hey, your answer A is. I might be wrong. 44. Hey, answer for A is 2, is it? 2. I thought I saw something else. Oh, that means it might be wrong. Okay, we are all getting different answers. Okay, I'm just going to go through question 1. You just check so that you check whether you get it right or wrong, all right? Okay, now. Okay, we ask Zahira. Zahira, we do like that, Zahira. Look. Zahira, look, we write like that. I do like that. Why I do like that? I told you right, that is now this is the safest way of doing it. Safest way is to copy everything except for the unknown. We put a bracket there. Why? Because we're going to put this inside now. The value -4 you can put inside here. Now you can see, 7 you can put here. Look. So this bracket times is 11 times 4, 44. Minus times minus equals to plus. Minus times minus equals to plus. Okay. So sorry, minus times minus equals to plus 44. So down here, you not minus 44. Now 2 times 7, 14. And you must remember, this is actually a plus down here. They don't tell you it's plus. Again, as I say, if there's no sign, means it's plus. Minus times plus, minus. So this is 30. 44 minus 14, 30. I thought this was your answer here. So let us see who got 30 down here. Let me see. Who got 30? Okay, Sabrina got 30. The second attempt. Okay, so we try the next one. You try the next one. Do this method lah. The method I give you. You say, how come? But there's 2 brackets here. Never mind. Use a different bracket for this one. So I'm going to show you how to write it as a bracket. 5. Put the bracket in like that. Look, I'm showing you the safest way. Down here. You can put another bracket here, no problem. You see this bracket how? Okay, I use a different bracket here lah. I use a square bracket like that. Square bracket. Then 7, 7. Then the X I use this type of bracket lah. No problem. The Y I put like that. So then you put in the value. You need to put in the value. Then do this bracket first before you minus. You can do this, girls and boys. You can do this. I will feed it in for you. You see. You can do this one first. Do the inside the bracket first. Remember what I told you, you girls and boy, about algebra and the toilet? Remember I told you something? Which bracket do you do first? You do the inside one first. Remember? They are different from human beings. You remember the analogy I give you now? Human beings, they want to go to the toilet, they take out the outer clothes first, then the inner clothes. Algebra, you do the inner clothes first, then the outer clothes. Why am I telling you this? It's for you to memorize, to remember. Not for it to be disgusting, but for you to remember. Okay, let us see. B, we have Sabrina saying 71. Anyone else? Sabrina saying -57. So your latest one is 71. Okay. Sabrina, you move on to the rest. Let's see whether the rest can get similar answer. I'm not saying your answer is right, but waiting for the rest. I think it might not be correct, Sabrina. Let us see. B, you check your B again, Sabrina. Hayan, your answer is correct. Congratulations. Hayan, move on to C, Hayan. Oh, C, you already finished? Not yet, right? See, you're doing D. Your A is positive 30, yeah? Hey, A must be positive 30. I show you down here already. Can you see? It's positive 30, not negative 30, yeah? Yes. Sophia can get it. Sophia Zahira can get it. Okay, yes. B is correct now. Okay, try C that. Sophia, Zahira, Rahana, I'm not getting any answers from you. Okay, so I'll go and do question B with you guys. Now, we asked Sophia, what do I do first, Sophia? Do I do 5 times -4? Do I do 3 times 7? 7 times, what do I do? I do inside the bracket first. In order to plus, I need to times 7 times 4. So I write the bracket like that, Sophia. And Zahira and Rahana. 7 times 4, 28. All right, 28 here. This is minus, this one is plus. How I know plus? Because there's no sign there. When there's no sign, you got to remember this is plus. Plus and minus give you minus. Then you remove plus and plus give you plus. Now then you can see now what number this is going to be. Okay, I put like that. So we cancel. Now there's a 3 down here, minus 3 down here. And you can also times this out. 5 times 4, 20. But plus down here, there's plus. We don't see the plus because it's understood. Plus and minus give you minus. Now we got to figure out down here. Minus 20, minus 3. Sorry again. Minus 3. So this one is, you do not know how to do this. If you forget how to do this, take bigger number minus smaller number, you get 21. Then follow the sign of the bigger number. In minus, put minus on here. You owe $28, you have $7, you pay, you still owe money, see? Now this one you got to times. So remember this 3 times 21 is, what is it? It's 63. So you get minus 20, just copy like that, minus 20. Minus times minus becomes plus. 3 times 21, 63. Okay, if you do not know how to do this one, just rearrange. Let's say your mind is so tired, rearrange. Then you find this one, you can do it. You know why? Because for the last 6 years in primary school, you have been trained to do like that. 63 minus 20, you know how to do. But minus 20 plus 63, you do not know how to do. Why? You're conditioned. Remember I told you about conditioning? The Pontianak thing? This is the effect. You will find automatically this is easier than this one. Why? It's conditioning. It's the same thing. So answer is 43. Okay, 43. Okay, the answer is 43. Yeah. All right. Let us see. C now. C now. Anyone got an answer for C? C.
Negative 13 out of 28.
Negative 13 out of 28. Hey, and your answer is negative 30, right? Okay, let me check the...
My answer is the same.
Same as? Negative 30. Okay, we go through. We go through. I'm going to write it down here on the board because it's too slow for me to write here. X plus Y over 5Y plus 5X. And what's the value of X? X is equals to negative 4 and Y is equals to 7. Okay, so I'm going to go through. Now, don't worry so much about it. Just put in the value. Okay, just put in the value. Down here, because there is no number beside it, I won't use a bracket. Because I might confuse myself. So I just put a number. 7 minus 4, I put minus 4. Y is 7, I put 7. Okay. Down here, I might put a bracket. 5Y. 5Y is 5 times 7. 5X. X is minus 4. Then I rewrite it again. Okay. 5 times 7, 35. Minus 4 over 35. This one, 5 times 4, minus 20. Don't worry about this one yet. Don't worry about this one yet. 7 over 20. So we find a number. What number can we use? You see, you do not know. If you do not know, remember you have done this. No, actually, if you want to do this method, you remember this method. Finding LCM, you can divide. But never mind, we just choose a number, denominator. I think 140 is possible. So this one times by what? Get 140 times 4, I think. This one times 7. So times 7 times 4. So you get 16 over 140. This one 7 times 7, 49 over 140. Now hold on, now there's a plus down here, there's a minus here. Now this minus, you must understand this bit, okay? Watch. If I give you now 1 over 2 minus, and minus 1 over 2, and minus half like that, all of these mean the same thing. Say why? Well, this is 1 divided by negative 2. Plus divided by minus is minus what? Minus divided by plus is minus. So can you see that whether the sign is on top or below or at the side is the same thing? So which one do you choose? Choose what you are comfortable with. What are you comfortable with? Just like just now, I give you the example. Example what? 63 minus 40 is the same as minus 40 plus 63. Sorry, plus 20. Which one are you comfortable with? You are comfortable with this because you have been doing this for 6 years in primary school. Use this. This one not comfortable. Okay, don't use this. So for me, when I was a student, I used to do this sometimes. I say I don't like it like that. It's very confusing. I put that. Now I feel comfortable. Right? It's just like you have your bantal busuk at night. You need to sleep. You just need to. You can only sleep with the bantal busuk. Same thing. Same thing. All right. Or your dirty blanket lah, whatever. So down here now, I can put the sign in front. Watch. Watch. I can put the sign in front. You know. Once I put the sign in front, I have plus minus. How? That is why the questions will put it in a bracket. Sophia, look here, Sophia. Sophia, look here. Raihana, lama, you all are like primary kids lah. Hey, look here lah. I'm explaining. Some of you are looking up, down. Some are closing the eye. Okay, look. You see the minus down here? You can put it as up front. Remember I explained to you, either minus and on top, is a minus at the below, is the same as a minus at the side. So put it aside. But once you put it aside, you got two signs. What to do? Put the bracket. That's why they put a bracket for some numbers because got two signs. So how? Minus, plus times minus equals to minus. So now you see, this will now change to one sign. Okay, you get it or not? So 49, take bigger number minus smaller number. 49 minus 16, you get 33. Minus 33 over 140. Any of you got this? Sabrina, you got this? No, no one got this. But you understand what I'm doing? No, some no, some yes. Some, okay. All right, we will do one more in a moment. We'll do one more in a moment, okay? Okay, we'll do that. Okay, I give you the question now. X equals to minus 2. Y equals to, this is your last question now, last question. Minus 5. Z equals to minus 4. All minus Y we want to practice. X over Y. X over Y. Sorry, X over Y minus 2Y over 4xz. Find out what's the answer. This one now you can put bracket, use bracket if you want to. You can do this, Zahira, sudah tidur. Hey, you like that? You can be in an advertisement. Don't be like that lah, miss. You know, if you do like that, means after one next step, you'll fall asleep. You start dreaming certain things about mathematics. Zaira, offer. Last question, offer. After, why are you covering your mouth like that? Oh, dah penat tadi ya. Okay, last question. Okay, let's see. Anyone got the answer? Let us see. Raina, not yet. Okay. Sabrina, is it 57 over 80, is it? Or 90? 80, Okay, we will check. So what about here? Let's see here, not yet also. Okay, we'll do Substitution method now. We put in the value. X is minus 2. Y is minus 5. Minus 2. Now I use bracket. Why I use bracket? Because there's number like that. 4 bracket, bracket. Why I put bracket? Because got number, I want to put the number in. So Y minus 5. Okay. X is minus 2. Z is minus 4. Let me simplify this first. Minus divide by minus, I get plus 2 over 5. Minus divide by minus, I get plus. Can you see that? I remove both minus sign already. Okay. Now down here, I just put the minus first. 2 times 5, 10. But there's a minus in front. Don't worry yet, don't worry yet, don't worry yet. Take number times number times number. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 4, 32. There's plus times minus is minus. Minus times minus becomes plus. Don't need to put anything here. So now, alamak, like that. I'm going to write it down here. Watch. 2 over 5 minus 10 over 32. Remember, the minus on top, you can also put it outside. It's okay, no problem. But bracket it up. What happens? It becomes 2 over 5 minus becomes plus 10 over 32 equals to, or it can be 80. Yeah? What number you times by 16? Times by 16 times by how many? 80. 80 divided by times by 4. No, not times by. Times by 5. Times by 5 is. Can this become 80? Cannot become 80 lah, miss. Are you sure? 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 2, 32 lah. Correct, right? Am I correct? 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 4, 32. So I don't think it can be. The nearest you can get is 160. How do I know? Yeah, I times this by. Hold on. Sometimes by 5 get 160. Times by 5 get 50. 5 times 20, 20, 20, 30, 32. Get 64. 64 plus 50 is 114 over 160. You can divide and divide and reduce and reduce and reduce. You can. Okay, let's see. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Or maybe Sabrina is correct. Congratulations, Sabrina. You are absolutely correct. 57 over 80. You win for yourself a prize. I will transfer the prize to your mother, but I need to collect the prize for the rest of the students. Okay. I'm just joking, and don't ask for your mother any prizes, no prize. Congratulations. Okay, for the rest of you, if you're tired, it's okay. All right. Oh, Zahira read us. Okay lah. All right. See you on Friday for those in a normal the thing. If we start 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock and 7:45. We start at 7:45 because I need to do my prayers. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.